On the front of the Community Consultants Collective, one of the other organizations that I'm actively involved with, I am excited to note that we now have a brand new elected board, and I'm very excited to have them meeting for the first time sometime next week. And we're going to be coming together and talking about how we can better enable the consulting practices for community consultants around the world. That group has grown from a pretty informal gathering in the Clocktower Slack to something on the order of about 160 members who've joined this movement. And in particular, what we're trying to do is to enable the professional development and lives of those community consultants, to give them a place to celebrate wins, to be accountable to each other, to learn from the experiences of those who've been doing it for a while, and to hopefully raise the tide for all of the community boats that are out there, helping individuals who have decided that they want to go on an independent path as a freelancer or consultant to make a go of that and be successful, because it's not always easy if you've been in a corporate role for many years and you're trying to step out and do something new. There are a host of questions around incorporating the business, writing proposals, doing business development, marketing yourself that are not necessarily intuitive, and having a peer group, a group of people that you can lean on, ask questions of in a non-threatening, safe environment is, I think, a very viable purpose for the Community Consultants Collective. So if you are watching this and you are a community consultant or curious about that, or delving into it even as a part-timer, you're welcome to join that organization. You can learn more about it at communityconsultants.life, L-I-F-E. So that's another area of great excitement over the coming year, and hopefully something that will allow many people to reinvent themselves and do great work.